Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can record audio in Discord using OBS Studio. So let's go to OBS first. After opening OBS Studio, you can see here two audio capture, one input capture and one output, and desktop audio is here. So what you can do this, click on this plus icon and you can see application audio capture. Click on this audio capture and remove it, and like here Discord, click on OK. Now window pop up here, choose your Discord, this one, awesome guys, Discord. You can do this window match or match title, that's up to you. Click on OK. Now if you scroll down, you can see here desktop audio, and you can find Discord too. Okay, so sorry, putting vertical again. Now going Discord is running here, and if you go to filters or properties, you can lock or unhide all. You can use the settings from here. Advanced audio property, you can see all of your active input devices. So well, now if I go to Discord account, now go to that specific channel, go to podcast or any voice channel, creating, sharing a screen or anything. Okay, now if I talk something, it will be recorded. Okay guys, so this is how you can capture audio using OBS in Discord. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.